Hi everyone, welcome to my home. You've been in here before. I film in here, you've seen it, but today I wanted to give you an apartment tour and show you what I've done with the space since I've moved in. Totally not done decorating it at all, but all the big like foundational pieces are here. So I just want to show you around and you can see what I've done with the place so far. So I've been here for about 4 months now, and it's been stressful but also really fun furnishing and decorating the place. Stressful because I really was trying to figure out my interior decorating style and what I wanted my home to look and feel like. It's only fun now that I can look at it and appreciate it now that it's more put together. It was definitely really stressful in the beginning. Having a home that really felt like me was just really important because when I moved out to LA, I had a tiny room, and then I moved into a new tiny room with my relatives, and then I moved into a bigger room, but it was still just one room. They weren't places that I chose, it was just places that I lived in out of necessity because I had nowhere to stay, like no other option. So now that I have a home of my own, it's like, it really is a dream come true. Not to be cheesy or corny, because it is cheesy and corny. So I can't wait to show you guys more. I guess we can get started with the tour. Let's start with this side of the living room first. This sectional is from Article, and this video is actually sponsored by them. This was my dream couch, from the color to the mid-century modern style to it being a sectional. It's perfect to me, so I kind of still can't believe it's here. It's called the Sven Charme sectional, and it's upholstered in aniline leather, and it is so freaking comfortable. I love it so much. I will link this and all my decor / furniture that I can find online down below, so if you want more details, please check the description box. To decorate the couch, I got some pillows to add some color into the space. I debated on what color scheme to go with for a while, and I settled on these. This pillow is from Target's Project 62 line, and all the other pillows are from Ross. And this brownish throw blanket is also from Target. Below the couch, I have this white fluffy rug from Ross. I'm actually so surprised with how soft it is. Even Cody loves it more than his bed sometimes. To the right of the couch, I have my Dracaena plant, a wire metal basket for extra blankets, and underneath that, I have this vintage suitcase that I thrifted for $6. There's nothing in it right now, but I plan on putting extra bed sheets in there for when guests come over. Then I have this wall, which I haven't decided what to do with yet because I generally film along this side of the apartment. So for now, it just has another one of Cody's beds and another wire basket filled with reusable totes. Now let's go to the other side of the wall where I have my TV and bookshelf. I grew up on TV. I spent so much time bonding with family and friends over shows and movies, so it was really important to me to have a good TV setup. The TV stand and bookshelf are from a company called Vasagle, and they gave me a discount to share, so I'll put that in the description box as well. I love that this TV stand has an open display but also a cubby / drawer thing so I can hide loose papers and the not so pretty stuff inside. Since I just got the TV mounted, I only have a few things on top of the TV stand. I just have this succulent plant, a candle, and my camera chargers in this corner for easy access. And on the other corner, I have this comic book. I thought it would make for a really cute display book, and it also was just a fun little read. Then at the end, I have my Monstera plant, which I've named Seven for no real reason. All my plant names start with the letter S, which was not intentional, it just so happened to be. Now let's go to the bookshelf, which ironically has no books on it right now. A lot of my books are at my parents' house, and I haven't had a chance to go back to the bay to bring them down, so it's still a bit empty and feels like a temporary display. On the very top shelf, I have my pothos plant that Amy got for me. It drapes pretty perfectly over the shelf. And then I have this tiger print from Society 6. I love this artwork print because in the Chinese zodiac, my mom was born in the year of the tiger. So whenever I look at this, it reminds me of her, and for some reason, it makes me feel protected or looked over after. Moving down on this row, I have my candles, Palo Santo, sage, and vintage matches that I collected or got from the Rose Bowl flea market. On the right, I have some tarot decks and an empty corner because I haven't decided what to put there yet. This left side is a temporary thing. I just have some sunglasses and a tissue box. And then on the right, I have a couple of perfumes, a room spray, and this little Virgo trinket holder that Hannah got me. I put some seashells in there that I found. On the left, I have a dried up bouquet of flowers, and on the right, I have some camera and photo things for display. That's actually my mom's old film camera. Unfortunately, it's broken, so I haven't had a chance to use it. This last row has all the practical everyday stuff. The wire basket has some of Cody's things in it. The backpack I use every day is also here, and then there's just this random purse which I should just put away in my closet. And then to the right of the shelf in this corner, I have my guitar and this framed artwork also from Society 6. I really love this poster too because it's very dreamy, and actually looking at it now, it reminds me of the color scheme in my apartment, so it's very fitting. In between the hallway and the front door, I have a full-length mirror. I got this from Target years ago and I still love it. On one corner, I put the Dior ribbon tied into a bow, and on the other corner, I put up a couple dream catchers I had. Now going over to the opposite wall, I have two large doors that lead out into the balcony. I put up these curtains over the doors. Everything I got for it is from Ikea. The Ikea curtains were way too long, so I did cut off the bottoms and used Fray sealant to stop it from fraying. I'll link that down below too. You can also use it on your clothes. Now moving to the dining area, I really wanted a farmhouse table, but that was just so out of my budget, so I settled for this one from Amazon that gets the job done. The table also doubles as my work desk because I edit here a lot, and to make the dining tables less cold and bare, I got these faux sheepskin covers to add some texture and layers. They are also from Amazon. I know they sell these at Ikea too, but these ones are much softer and they're cheaper. To add more seating space, I got these chairs from Target. These chairs are super comfortable, but my friends usually just sit on the benches because this table is actually quite small. And then on the wall, I have these art prints from Decenio that adds to the color scheme of the place. So now we're in the kitchen. There's really not much to show you at all in here. The place didn't come with a fridge, so I had to get that. I have two trash cans. One is for trash and one is for recycling, and I just wanted to point that out in case, you know, you guys want to get a recycling bin for your place too. Now we're going to move on to the other side of my apartment through like the little hallway. So my bedroom is through this door, and then the bathroom is behind me. I'll show you guys the bathroom first. It's pretty straightforward. This is what you see when you first walk into the bathroom. I have more banana leaves. Then I have the Seafoam Waves poster from Decenio. It's actually pretty perfect in here because, you know, this is where you shower and bathe and water stuff. Okay, how many shades of pink do you want? Because a lot of them are here. This is obviously an over-the-door hanger, but my bathroom door doesn't shut correctly when I put it there. It looks so ugly to me, but this is so practical. I don't know if I'll ever change it. And yes, that is a Supreme shower cap, which I did not buy. My cousin actually gave it to me because it came with his order, and I've never used it because it would just make me feel so extra. I love that this bathroom has a lot of counter space. I have a lot of room to put my skincare and whatnot, and I do have a clock in the bathroom because it's happened enough times where I've been in the bathroom getting ready and I wonder what time it is and how much time I have left, so having a clock in here really helps. Now that we're done with the bathroom, we're gonna move on to the bedroom. The bedroom was the first room that was done. It's so crazy to think how I slept on the ground for the first few days I was here because I didn't have a bed yet. And I really love how the bedroom is coming together and how it's turned out so far. It just feels very me, and I feel very at peace there. So let's go see it. So this is what my bedroom looks like. Actually, it's usually really messy with clothes everywhere, but today it is clean. My mattress is from Lol, which is one of those memory foam bed-in-a-box companies, and after sleeping on it for 4 months now, I have to say I love it. My pink bed sheets are from Ikea, my duvet cover is from Bedscape, and my bed frame is from Amazon. I also have this rolling side table from Vasagle. Because I have no room on the sides of the bed for a real side table, this is super convenient for me. I use it when I want to edit in bed sometimes or to put miscellaneous things on, and I can move it somewhere else when I sleep so I don't hit it. I can also move it to the living room if I need to. On this wall, I have this nook, which I still don't know what to do with just yet. Right now, it's just used for storage. And then on both sides of this weird nook, I have my closets. On this side, I have this really beautiful dresser that Sydney gave me because she didn't need it anymore. I'm so amazed at how well it fit in with everything else in this apartment. On top of the dresser, I have lots of things because I actually get ready here. I don't really want a vanity or a desk. I don't think I have the space for it, so I'm okay with this setup, at least for now. I have the same curtain setup in here as well, and here is a random corner of things. That's another one of Cody's beds down there. I have this lamp that I really want to get rid of because honestly it's just not very cute or aesthetic, but it works so well. Then I have this portable AC unit. I honestly can't wait to store this away when it gets colder because this too is an eyesore to me. I've had this smaller TV for years and I didn't really want to get rid of it, so I put it on this rolling bookshelf that I already had too. And anytime I feel like watching a bit of TV before bed, I just roll it out and roll it back when I'm done so I get my space back. I don't know what to put on the shelf just yet, so I just put some artwork here until I find a new place for them. And this is where I oddly end my apartment tour. I totally forgot to end the apartment tour video, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting to know my home and that you enjoyed your stay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!